Hey guys, today's video is all about hair. So I'm going to show you guys one of the best hairstyles that I wear every single week and get the most compliments on. It is just a simple side swept braid into a ponytail. So to start, we're going to take your brush. So I just use a wet brush, but you can use any brush that you have at home and that you like to use. Back brush over your part. We want to get that very clean and straight because the braid is going to pull it tight. So take the finer side of the comb and go from the middle of your eye all the way back, and then brush it over. And you'll see that it gives you a very clean cut part. What we're gonna do is take the same comb, but on the thicker side, and right in the middle of that, you wanna take that all the way down to where you meet your ear. Okay? Now this is the hair that you're gonna use for the braid, but the rest of it, you wanna get it out of the way. So I like to back comb away from the part, that way I know what hair is supposed to be in the braid and what is not. Now if you're like me and you have Flyaways, a product that actually was just sent to me on influencer.com was this L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil. It's made with camellia flowers and sunflower oil. And with one little drop, you can get rid of all of those flyaways and really just smooth down the hair that's about to be braided. This way the braid lays flatter on your head and you don't have as many hairs poking out. Now I'm going to show you how to do an inverted braid. So it's not your typical standard French braid where you're taking hair and pulling it into a braid. You're actually doing the reverse and you're taking the hair and flipping it out. So follow along at home and I'll try to break it down for you. So first, take a little bit of the hair from the top of your head, and then this you're going to section into 3 pieces. Take the back piece and put it in toward the middle, underneath the middle piece of hair, and then carry the first piece under there. So you've got that, and then you're just going to keep repeating that process, picking up hair as you go, all the way until you hit your ear. Now that you've got it all the way down to your ear, I like to continue braiding it all the way until you hit the bottom of the braid. This way your braid continues so you can put it into the back of the ponytail, rather than just putting a hair tie here and then letting the hair flow. Okay, once you've reached almost the bottom, take just a little hair tie. So these I actually bought at the dollar store. You can buy them at CVS or Rite Aid. They're just little elastic bands, and if you use them instead of a hefty hair tie, it makes the braid lay so much nicer in your ponytail, and it looks more professional. Okay, so there you've got that braid. Now we can let down the rest of our hair and brush it into a ponytail. Now to make sure all of those flyaways in the braid and over on this side stay put throughout the day, I'd like to just spray it down with a little hairspray. I use the Garnier Fructis Full and Plush Volume Hairspray. I think it's Extra Stronghold number 3. And I just give it a quick spray and then pat it down. That way all of those little flyaways stay put. And then on this side, and then I take the fine tooth side and I just comb away any of those little hairs. And there you go. It's super simple, really fast and easy, and you're gonna get tons of compliments on this hairstyle. It's just really a nice, sleek, clean updo. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below the hairstyle you think I should do next week, and subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. Thanks.